Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to show you quickly how to transfer data, all data from this old this Android phone to new iPhone. This is iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, let's this is the phone. I will just so turn it on, and now see it is turning on. I have already put the tempered glass and the cover on it, so it is turning on. In between, what I will do, I will just install move to iOS on this Android phone. Just search move to iOS and install it. Okay, it is installing. It is turning on. Let us see. Open it. Agree. Continue. Agree. Automatically send. Continue. Only this time. Continue. Allow. Continue with Wi-Fi. It will detect and I will connect the Wi-Fi. Now it is searching for the device. I will go to the iPhone and now see what is happening here. English, India, setting language. Default, setup. It is searching for nearby devices. Setup without another device. Use selected settings. And now Wi-Fi. I will disconnect it. Continue. See what is happening. Now continue. Adult. Setup letter. I will see a passcode. Okay, done. Then this screen finally comes, and from here I will select from Android. Okay, open move. This has come here. You have seen iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, continue. Now I will see this code. I have to write it here. 472 472 Now it is started. Now I have to select which messages. Allow. Okay, allow. Contacts, call history, allow. Events, allow. Google account, allow. Photo library, allow all. 16.3 GB. Voice memo, allow. Apps, allow. Mobile plan, display settings, accessibility settings, WhatsApp. Move chats to iOS. Transfer your chats and media history to your new iPhone. You will not able to transfer later if you skip. Start. 27% ready. It is 78% now. Okay, now next, then continue. Okay, transferring. It will take some time depending upon the data. Okay, and it will show the progress here. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. After some time, the all the data will be transferred from this Android mobile to that iPhone. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do share to subscribe this channel. Thank you.